Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome. Please don't laugh at my English today.
No one will laugh, Alex.
They laughed yesterday.
What happened?
I said I am boring, but I wanted to say I am bored.
Oh, no. That means you are not interesting.
Yes, now my friends think I am a boring person.
Don't worry. Today, we will help you speak English fluently and confidently.
Yes, no more fear.
And you too, if you want to speak English every day.
Please like this video,
And subscribe to the channel.
because we are your English friends.
Hey, Alex. How are you today?
I am good, I think.
You think?
Yes, I feel a little nervous,
Why are you nervous?
because today I want to speak English all day.
That's a great idea.
But I am afraid of making mistakes.
That is okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Really?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Okay, I will try.
Good. Just relax and speak slowly.
Okay, I will speak slowly.
So, what are you doing today?
I am going to work in the morning.
That's nice.
Then I will go to a restaurant for lunch.
Yummy! What will you eat?
I think rice and chicken.
Good choice.
After that, I will travel in the evening.
Wow, that is a busy day.
Yes, very busy.
And you will speak English everywhere?
Yes, at work, at the restaurant, and during travel.
That is amazing.
I want to practice more.
That is the best way to learn.
But what if people don't understand me?
Just repeat your sentence.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And you can say, please speak slowly.
Yes, I like that.
Say it.
Please speak slowly.
Very good.
I feel a little more confident now.
Good. Confidence is important.
I will not be shy today.
That's the spirit.
I will speak even if I make mistakes.
Yes, that is how you improve.
Okay, let's start this day.
Let's go.
Let's go and speak English.
That's confidence. Okay, Alex. After talking in the morning, you said you were going to work.
Yes, I left the house and went straight to work.
How did you feel on your way?
I was thinking about our conversation.
What were you thinking?
I said to myself, speak slowly. Don't be afraid.
That's very good.
Yes, I kept repeating it in my mind.
So, when you arrived at work, what happened?
I greeted my coworkers.
In English?
Yes, I said good morning.
Nice. And what did they say?
They said good morning too.
That's a good start.
Yes, I felt a little confident.
What did you do next?
I sat at my desk and started working.
Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, a little.
What did you say?
I said simple things like, how are you?
Good.
And I am fine.
Perfect.
But sometimes I forgot words.
That's normal.
Yes, so I stopped and thought.
That's okay. Take your time.
I didn't rush.
Good decision.
Later, I needed help with my work.
Did you ask for help?
Yes, I said, can you help me, please?
Very polite.
Yes, and they helped me.
How did that make you feel?
I felt happy and more confident.
Of course.
I also said, thank you.
Good manners.
Yes, I tried to use simple English.
That is the best way to learn.
I didn't try big grammar.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
At one point, someone spoke very fast.
Oh no, what did you do?
I said, please speak slowly.
Excellent.
Yes, and they slowed down.
That's how you controlled the conversation.
I felt proud again.
You are doing very well.
By the afternoon, I was more relaxed.
So no more fear?
Less fear.
That's progress.
Yes, I even started small conversations.
Really?
Yes, I said, "How is your day?"
That's great.
And they answered me.
Good communication.
Yes, I was smiling more.
I can hear it in your voice.
Work was not scary anymore.
That's amazing.
Yes, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I don't need perfect English. I just need to speak.
That is very true.
Simple English is okay.
More than okay.
After work, I felt hungry.
Aha! Now we are going to the restaurant.
Yes, I said to myself, next I will speak English at the restaurant.
I love this journey.
Yes, from friends to work and now to food.
Let's go and hear your restaurant story.
Yes, let's go.
So, Alex, tell me about the restaurant.
Okay, it was interesting.
Interesting. Tell me more.
I walked into the restaurant and I felt a little nervous
Why were you nervous?
because I wanted to speak English clearly and confidently.
That's good. So, what did you do first?
I looked at the menu.
Was it easy to understand?
Not really.
Oh, no.
There were many new words.
What did you do?
I took a deep breath and I read slowly.
That's a smart idea.
Yes, I didn't rush.
So, what did you choose?
I chose rice and chicken.
Nice. Simple and good.
Yes, and I said it in English in my mind first.
Oh, really?
Yes, I practiced before speaking.
That is very helpful.
I said I would like rice and chicken.
Perfect sentence.
Thank you. I felt proud of myself.
You should be proud.
Then I wanted water.
What did you say?
I said I would like water, please.
Very polite.
Yes, I tried to be polite.
How did you feel after speaking?
At first, I was scared.
And then?
Then I felt happy
Why happy?
because I spoke English and nothing bad happened.
Exactly. That's how confidence grows.
Yes, I started to relax.
That's great.
When the food came, I said thank you.
Good manners.
Yes, and I smiled.
How was the food?
It was very good.
Say it in a full sentence.
The food is very good.
Excellent.
I enjoyed my meal.
Nice phrase.
I even wanted to say more.
Like what?
Like, this food is delicious.
Wow, that's very good English.
Thank you. I am improving.
Yes, you are.
I was not shy anymore.
That is a big win.
Yes, a very big win.
So now, are you still afraid?
No, I feel more confident now.
That's amazing.
I think I can speak English anywhere now.
At work, at restaurants, anywhere?
Yes, anywhere.
I love that confidence.
I just need to practice every day.
Exactly. Practice makes progress.
Next time, I will speak even more.
I believe you.
Thank you, Alice.
You're welcome, Alex. Okay, Alex. Now tell me about your travel.
My travel was very interesting.
Really? Tell me everything.
After I left the restaurant, I went to the bus park.
How did you feel?
I felt a little tired, but also excited,
Why excited?
because I wanted to continue speaking English.
That's good. So what happened at the bus park?
There were many people.
Was it noisy?
Yes, very noisy.
Oh, wow.
People were talking, calling, moving everywhere.
That can be confusing.
Yes, but I stayed calm.
Good. What did you do next?
I looked around and tried to understand the signs.
Were the signs in English?
Yes, some of them.
Did you understand them?
Not everything, but I tried my best.
That's what matters.
I asked myself, where am I going?
And what was your answer?
I said, I am going to Abuja.
Good practice.
Yes, I kept repeating it.
Repetition helps a lot.
Yes, I said it again and again.
So what did you do after that?
I found the right bus.
That's great.
Yes, I felt happy.
Did you talk to anyone?
Yes, a little.
Wow, what did you say?
I said simple things like hello and good evening.
That's perfect.
I also said excuse me when I needed space.
Very polite.
Yes, I tried to be polite and clear.
How did people react?
They understood me.
That's amazing.
Yes, that made me feel confident.
I can imagine.
When I entered the bus, I felt proud.
You should feel proud.
I sat down and looked outside the window.
Nice.
I started thinking in English.
Really?
Yes, I said things like, the road is busy.
That's very good practice.
I also said, the weather is nice.
Simple and clear.
Yes, I kept talking to myself.
That helps a lot.
I was not shy anymore.
That is a big improvement.
Yes, I felt free.
Free to speak English?
Yes, free and confident.
I love that.
During the journey, I relaxed.
That's good.
I listened to people talking.
Did you understand them?
Some words, yes.
That's progress.
Yes, little by little.
So how do you feel now?
I feel happy.
And confident?
Yes, very confident.
Wow, Alex.
I think I can speak English anywhere now.
You can.
I just need to keep practicing.
Exactly. Practice every day.
I will not stop.
That's the spirit.
Next time, I will speak even better.
I believe you.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome. All right, Alex. Let's practice some useful English phrases from your day.
Yes, let's do it.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I am fine.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I am going to work.
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 I am busy.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am busy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem.
No problem.
I would like rice and chicken.
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 I would like water, please.
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 The food is very good.
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 This food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
This food is delicious.
Where am I going?
Where am I going?
Where am I going?
Where am I going?
I am going to Abuja.
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 Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later.
That is good.
That is good.
That is good.
That is good.
You see, Alex, these are simple phrases.
Yes, very simple.
And you use them at home,
Yes.
at work,
Yes.
at the restaurant,
Yes.
and during travel.
Yes, everywhere.
That is how you speak English fluently.
And confidently.
Exactly. Hello, Alex. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am good. Where are you going?
I am going to work.
Can you help me later?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Alex. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am good.
I am going to work.
That is good.
I will speak English.
Yes, speak slowly.
I feel confident.
Very good. You see, speaking English is not hard.
Yes, just speak every day.
Do not be afraid.
Make mistakes and learn.
You can speak English fluently
Fluently.
and confidently. Keep practicing every day.
Use simple sentences.
Speak slowly.
And clearly.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
We are your English friends.
See you next time.